is the first global award for the quietest high-performance machines and technology in the world. We have technically assessed over 43 to 50 product categories of technology that surrounds us. We then award the very quietest, and we're very strict, the quiet mark. And then brands, household brands can use it to then show off that they have invested in acoustics. I'm third generation noise campaigner. My grandfather founded the Noise Abatement Society in 1959. And I got hooked in by my mother. And here we are today. We're providing a new next generation consumer champion mark to help people find more peace and quiet in their life.